Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money using Wise. First, all you need to do is log into your Wise account. Once you've logged in, simply click on send, choose the amount that you'd like to send, and choose what currency the recipient will receive their money in. From here, you can change how you'd like to pay over your money. For example, here you can see you have bank transfer and Swift transfer. You can also use debit card, credit card, or your balance. But since I've selected less than £2, I'm not able to send using debit card or credit card. And since I have no money in my balance, I can't send through balance. So for example, here I'm going to choose bank transfer, then click on continue. Then you can either send your money to someone with a Wise tag, email or phone number, or you can send it to someone's bank details. After you've selected who you want to send your money to, you will be able to review and you'll be able to see, for example, what the fees will be, how much a person will receive and in what currency, etc. And then you can click on next to pay, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.